Okay, so we got a 2009 Toyota Corolla. And I'm not sure if this one was the 1.8. Oh, yep, 1.8 liter 4-cylinder, variable valve timing. And they said my battery light came on and they went and bought a battery. And there it is. And I think Valuecraft is probably AutoZone. They put in a battery. The same day, the battery light comes back on again. And they saw me last night and said, hey, would you mind taking a look at this car? I said, no problem, drive it straight to my house. Don't put the lights on, don't put the radio on. They said, oh, it should be fine now, it's got a brand new battery. I said, you don't want to do any of that, just come straight here. Well, it died on the highway. I went and towed it in. And looking down at the alternator, well, underneath the car I found the belt, but then on the alternator, I have never seen this in my life. The alternator pulley came unwound where there's no threads left on it. That's actually the pulley itself. I've never seen anything like that. So we're going to get this alternator swapped out, and I'm going to check all the other pulleys, make sure they're all loose, and see what the heck is going on. Boy, did this thing get hot or something. But he told me when it died, it overheated, and what else did he say? He lost power steering, and all the lights came on like a Christmas tree, and that's the normal symptoms when the belt goes. And then, as I said, I seen underneath it, so we're going to get this changed back out, and I'll probably have another video of it running smoothly, or what else I find wrong here. Thanks.